These weird sync racing live streams are getting millions of views, and most creators still have no idea how easy they are to make. They are simple, incredibly engaging, and they keep viewers hooked until the very end. That's exactly why faceless sports and debate channels are growing so fast with this style of content. The crazy part, most people assume you need a massive budget or gaming PC to stream. You don't. In fact, this entire setup can be built for under $5 using household items. Watch this. The Messi versus Ronaldo debate. The world has argued about this for over a decade. But instead of talking about stats, creators are letting two bouncy balls settle the score in a bathroom sink. Why does this work? Because tribalism drives endless engagement. Fans will sit for hours defending their favorite player in the live chat. Every comment pushes the stream to more viewers in the Shorts algorithm. While normal creators are busy editing complex videos, someone with a plastic bowl is already going viral. YouTube history is full of this pattern. Now, if you want to create live streams exactly like this, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process so you can build your own live engagement machine, even if you're a complete beginner. And make sure you don't skip any part of this tutorial, because one small mistake can completely ruin the algorithm's push on the Shorts feed. So, let's get started. So, for creating these types of streams, first you need to build your arena. Grab a curved ceramic basin or use your bathroom sink. The smooth surface allows the balls to spin endlessly. Then, head to a dollar store and grab two different colored bouncy balls or bath bombs. Now, as you can see, you need a scoreboard. Buy cheap, physical tabletop flip scoreboards and place them right above the sink. Next, pick your rivalry. I like the Ronaldo vs. Messi topic here, so I'll simply print out their photos and prop them up next to the scoreboards. Now, as you can see, the physical set for our stream is ready. Once the set is complete, you need to add your text. Use a dry erase marker. Write the team names directly onto the ceramic sink, so you can easily erase and update them exactly the way you want. So, I'll write Portugal versus Uzbekistan here. After that, grab a spare smartphone and open a stopwatch app. Prop it up in the frame to add a sense of urgency. Now it's time to set up the stream. Mount your main phone on a tripod directly above the sink. Open the YouTube app and set it to stream vertically. Now, simply drop the balls in and let them spin. Update the scoreboards based on who wins, and follow the same process to keep the stream running. Once your stream is over, you'll want to repurpose the best moments. You can use automated clipping AI tools to quickly pull viral clips from your long streams. Next, drop those clips into your video editor. Then, upload them as regular shorts to drive even more traffic to your next live session. You can also add interactive text on screen. Add a super chat to vote prompt. After adding the prompt, keep reminding your viewers, and it will automatically increase your earnings. So now my live stream setup is complete. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I reply to everyone. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye.